Hello, in this video we will learn about festivals. We celebrate many festivals. Festivals are the time of fun and joy. We wear new clothes, greet each other, we visit our friends, relatives, and exchange sweets and gifts. Festivals bring unity among the people of different religion, different regions. Okay, so let us learn about the important festival of our country. We celebrate the festivals of three types, that religious festivals, national festivals, and harvest festival. First, we'll see some religious festivals. Festivals are the celebration of special events. In India, we celebrate many festivals. They spread joy, happiness around us. So first one is Dashera. Dashera is the festival of the Hindus. It is also known as Vijaya Dashmi. It starts with Ram Leela. Ram Leela stage for 10 days. This festival, Dashera, marks the victory of good over evil. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. Next festival, Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. We worship goddess Lakshmi. We all exchange greetings, sweets. We light diyas and candles. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. Diwali is the most important festival for the Hindus. Okay, we all celebrate these festivals. Next one, Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the festival of Bengalis. We worship goddess Durga. The idols of goddess Durga are set up on pandals for 9 days. On 10th day, the idols are taken out. The idols are taken out in big procession. They are immersed in holy water. These festivals are mainly celebrated in West Bengal. Okay, Durga Puja. Next festival, Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. We play with gulal and colored water. We play with gulal and colored water. That's why it's called the festival of colors. Holi comes in the month of February or March. Next festival, Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak. It is the festival of the Sikhs. They go to Gurudwara and pray. Langar, a community lunch, served there. The Guru Parv is the festival celebrated as a birthday of the Guru Nanak Ji. Is celebrated as a birthday of Guru Nanak Ji. It's also called as a Guru Nanak Jayanti. The people of Sikh religion, they go to Gurudwara and pray. Langar, a special community lunch, is served there at the Gurudwara. Okay. Next festival, that is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Boat race and feast are arranged on this day. The festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali. This festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali. People decorate our houses. They make rangolis with flowers. You can see in this pictures. Okay, this is the way the people of Kerala celebrate the Onam. Next one is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It's also harvest festival. It is celebrated in the month of January. They worship the sun god, the rain god, and their domestic animals, cows. Okay, they celebrate this festival for 3 days. On first day, they worship sun god. Second day, rain god, and the third day, mother cow. They worship them. So this festival is celebrated for 3 days. They celebrate this festival for 3 days. Next festival, that is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ on 25th December. Every year we celebrate the Christmas on 25th December. It's the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Christians go to church to pray. Christmas tree is decorated with gifts. Christians go to church to pray. Christmas tree are decorated with gifts. This is the way they celebrate the Christmas on 25th December. Next festival is Eid. Eid is celebrated on the day after Ramzan. Muslims keep fast in the Ramzan month. After that, they celebrate the festival Eid. Muslim men go to mosque and pray. Sevaya, a special dish on this day. They prepare a sevaya, a special dish on the Eid. Okay. Next festival. They are the national festivals. We had learned about the religious festivals of different religions. Next, that is national festivals. National festivals are celebrated by all the people of the country. The three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. First, Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. The President of India hosts the flag and parade is organized in Delhi at Rajpath in Delhi. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January every year. Next festival is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. It is the day of our freedom from British rule. On this day, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. Okay, so Independence Day. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August every year. Next one, Gandhi Jayanti. October 2 is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered as the father of the nation. People put flowers on his samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi. So, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. So, we had learned about the religious and national festivals. Now, we'll see some question and answer on this. First one, Gandhi Samadhi located at dash in Delhi, Rajghat, Bihar, Agra. So, Gandhi Samadhi at located in Rajghat. Prime Minister hosts the national flag on the Rajghat, Red Fort, Chennai on Independence Day. So, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag on the Red Fort at New Delhi on Independence Day. Next, which festival marks the victory of good over evil? Which festival marks the victory of good over evil? That is Holi, Christmas, or Dashera. So, Dashera festival is marks the victory of good over evil. Which goddess worship in the festival of Diwali? Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi, God Rama. So, Goddess Lakshmi is worship in the festival of Diwali. Next one, Guru Parv is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak Ji, Mahatma Gandhi Ji, Nehru Ji. So, Guru Parv is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak Ji. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January, March, April. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January. Christians go to dash to pray Jesus, temple, church, mosque. So Christians go to church, the place of worship of Christian religion, that is church. Okay. Who celebrate Eid? Muslims, Hindus, Christmas. So celebrate Eid. Muslim people of Muslim religions celebrate Eid. In this video, we had learned about some religious and national festivals. Thank you.